EstimatorXpress is the domestic builder's one-stop shop for all your estimating needs. As a builder, you need one piece of software that will allow you to fulfill all your estimating requirements in one place. EstimatorXpress provides you with a solution. You can use EstimatorXpress for estimating new builds, extensions, loft conversions, and both internal and external renovation work. As is very common in the trade, you can create estimates which combine all these types of tasks together. This allows you to create one single quote for your customer and to combine all the information from a mixture of these tasks into one place. You can then use this information to help you with your job management tasks such as job scheduling, cash flow budgeting, and of course, material ordering. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can estimate a variety of different types of extensions. First off, let's create a new estimate. Whilst going through this process, we can specify some of the things required for an extension. For starters, an extension specification. We then have a variety of drop-down options where you can choose different items for different parts of the construction. For example, you can choose your tiling system, different types of guttering, fascias, etc. Now on this option here is where we choose the workbooks that we want to use for our estimate. We've created several pre-made groups of workbooks, and several of these cover different types of extensions. You have a large extension, a lean-to, apex roof extension, valley roof extension, and a flat roof extension. Let's have a look at the lean-to extension group. By selecting this, it chooses an array of workbooks which are suitable for a lean-to extension. Now we're looking at our estimate, and you can see the variety of various tasks that we costed using the software. For example, several different types of wall, numerous different types of structural openings, windows, doors, etc. Because we chose a group for a lean-to roof extension, you will see that there are various lean-to roof options for a standard roof and also for estimating a truss roof. Let's have a quick look at the lean-to roof workbook. This workbook gives us an assortment of options. You can have roofs with soffits and fascias or without, and with an insulated plaster ceiling, or of course with a vaulted ceiling. I'm going to go for the option here with a soffit, a fascia, and for an insulated and plastered vaulted ceiling, a fairly standard installation these days. The dimension wizard allows us to input our various sizes and choose options for things such as purlins, binders, and eaves fascias. As I'm going for a vaulted ceiling, I'm going to set my purlins to 0. We can put in the width of the extension, details such as the spacing of our tile battens. Will there be insulation to the rafters? The answer to that of course is yes, because we're going to be using a vaulted ceiling, and the insulation to a flat ceiling will be no, because there is no flat ceiling. Finally, decoration options, and then click Finish. We can then have a quick look at our resources screen, and this gives us a look at some of the content that's been estimated. As you'll see, there's a variety of timbers, guttering, tiling, and of course the associated labour and plant. Okay, I've skipped forward and done a bit of estimating for the rest of our extension, so I can now show you some of the information that you can get from your reports. There's some extremely useful reports in here, such as things like profit forecast, a cash flow report, a cost summary report, and of course a material ordering schedule. And the final piece of information that of course you would want is to be able to produce your customer quote. And here is the customer quote, which is ready laid out for you, and of course you can fine tune and tweak this and then present this to your customer and win some business.